Positioning means that we do one thing for the rest of our life, we pick one niche, we pick one technology, and then we just run. That's the common misperception of what positioning actually is. And today I will tell you how positioning can help you to grow in a meaningful way. Because positioning can also be done wrong. What do I mean by that? If you specify, for example, we do ERP software for, I don't know, plant stores, then that can become a problem because they might be low profit margin, there might be not enough flower stores, they might be run by one person that does 50K. Nobody's going to spend 30, 50, 100,000 euros for ERP software. So it always needs to match what you offer and to whom. That's the big challenge that no other niche has, no other industry has. Software, if I have an ERP, not everybody needs it, and that's the important thing. And it's also not just about positioning yourself on a technology. Oh, we do PHP. That's completely useless because the problem is if you just specialize on one technology, you are depending on clients that realize that they actually need PHP. Because the thing we can agree on, that PHP, however I will use it, might be also useful to companies that don't even know about PHP. And now if you're the PHP agency, you will miss out on a lot of clients. Because your clients, they don't live in the PHP world. They live in a different world. So you cannot address those kind of clients if you're technology focused. And also it's a big bet to just put on one technology. Obviously this will be correct 5-7 years maybe, but then you need to switch. The second big misconception is that you will lose money. No, you won't, because you will not switch your positioning from today to tomorrow. Let's assume you already make a few millions. We will not position you in the market and, let's say, neglect all the other projects. Obviously not. This will be a gradual change in revenue. Another big misconception is that the positioning affects the whole company. What I recommend software companies is to have a certain positioning focus in sales. That you analyze your projects that you did so far, see which were the most fun, most profitable, where are more companies that might have the exact same problem, and then you focus on that in sales. We don't position the whole company. That takes maybe a year. But what we want to do is to pick this right project and find more of these, to have a standardization. Because what positioning actually is, it helps you do the same things more often. That means you can standardize it on the inside, internally, but the client still gets a custom solution. Let's assume you have 60 to 80% ready. You can just pull out the drawer, take it out, copy, paste, customize 10 to 20%, and the client gets still a custom solution. You're super profitable, you can handle more clients with less work, can do more revenue, but the client is happier because the quality is higher, and that's the big advantage. And why don't more companies use of this? Because they think positioning means getting married for 200 years to the same niche, to one technology. Obviously that's stupid.